Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play air piano. To begin, understand that air piano is about simulating playing a physical instrument. It's a fantastic way to improve your finger strength, coordination, and musical imagination. Start by finding a comfortable space where you can freely move your hands and arms. Visualize a full 88-key piano keyboard directly in front of you, ready for your touch. Proper hand placement and posture are crucial for effective air piano. Sit or stand comfortably with your shoulders relaxed and down. Gently curve your fingers, as if you are lightly holding a small ball, ensuring your fingertips are poised. Keep your wrists level with your imaginary keyboard, avoiding any upward or downward bend. This foundational position will prevent strain and allow for fluid movement across the keys. Now, let's dive into practical exercises. Start by practicing simple scales, such as the C major scale, moving both up and down the imaginary keyboard. Next, work on basic chords like C major, G major, and F major, focusing on smooth transitions between them. Aim for a consistent rhythm and even finger movements. Using a metronome set to 60 beats per minute can greatly help in developing precise timing and control. To elevate your air piano skills, begin incorporating dynamics by imagining varying pressure on your keys, from soft to loud. Practice along with backing tracks to refine your rhythm and timing, making your playing more engaging. For performance, visualize an audience and play with confidence, allowing your musicality to shine. Remember, air piano is about expressing yourself freely and enjoying the creative process, so have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.